In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all, you need to log in into your Messenger account. Tap on Messenger app, then ensure that you have logged in into your account. Then tap on those three lines on your bottom right corner. Then go to settings. Then you are going to scroll down. Then go to privacy and safety. You are going to see under preferences, you are going to see privacy and safety. Tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you will scroll down a little bit. Then under security, you are going to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on it. Then tap on message storage. Then it will land you here. So in order to fix this message and history sync now, you are going to scroll down. Then at the bottom there, you are going to see under manage secure storage. You are going to see turn off secure storage. So tap on it. Any new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up remotely. So tap on continue. Then as you can see, you have already turned it off. So after you have turned it off, just click on delete secure storage. Then continue. Then secure storage deleted. That's how to fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.